Day 2.
Yo, today magkuan mi river rafting. Kanin niyo ng truck sa likod. That one. Sakay mi dira for like 2 seconds. Then ato na mi sa river rafting. We'll ride the river for like 5 kilometers of it. Then just have fun. We are heading off to our rafting experience. 5 minute trail walk through this to get to the river rafting site. Look at this. Careful. Yep. There you go. There's the water. They're flipping it. And dito may pababa. We'll see. We'll see you on the other side. So, sakay na. Who wants to go first? Papa goes first? Oh, sakay na si Matt.
Oh, dila lang kasi kadua man. Okay.
Okay, start na.
My pedal.
Oh, nice. Oh, oh. Oh no! Lean. Whoa! Ah! Woo! Woo! Nice! Woo! Everyone okay? Shy? You okay?
Or ano, fun ang experience.
Fun ang experience pagkahulog dito?
No!
How was it?
Fun.
How was it?
Fun.
It was fun. So we're done with the first leg. Look at that. And look at that. So here, nakakapod on foot for the next leg of this rafting thing. That was fun. It was fun. Among Boy Scout on the lead. Okay. Like, look. That's why wala namin nila gipaagi because the rapids, it's the rapid. So, wala namin nag-boat kay treacherous daw ang rocks. So, yeah, that's it. Ito nga pam ginagamit nila for their local alcohol products as well as uh, ilang palm sugar and alcohol products like our tuba in the Philippines. Birthday. Oops. Kalma na siya gamay, but still. Yeah.
Oh, bayawak him.
Look, there's bayawak over there.
Oh yeah, crocodile.
Is that bayawak?
Crocodile. Okay, welcome to jumping.
Oh, are we gonna jump here, Matt?
Oh, wait, Matthew.
We are jumping here. I am jumping here. Okay. Cliff jumping ga? Are you up for it? You can go for the lower one. Of course, I'm gonna be here. This is gonna be my spot.
Wait, Matthew.
I'm gonna jump and Matt, who goes first, Matt? So Matt will go. Abby will go first. Woohoo!
Matthew.
Matt, get back here. Is it high? I'll be the last to jump because I'll try to take a video of everyone. Is she ready? She's up. She's good. Oh, it's Matthew's turn. Uh-oh. One, two, three. Woo! Mama's turn. Ah, come on, Matt's level.
Matthew, okay? Jump, jump, jump. One, two, three, go, go!
Okay. Whoa, whoa. Let's do that.
Everything feels muffled after jumping twice.
So everybody has to paddle except me.
I'm cool.
So, how does it feel? Na naka-jump twice.
Ang second time kay muffled, everything becomes muffled. Fun ka ay, okay. Pero gusto na ko sa higher pero mama talaga.
Fun kay twice man ka nag-jump, kami once lang. Diba? So,
Kaya ako lang man ang willing mag-jump instead.
ay wow. Na all.
Oh, you hold.
Careful, careful with your head. Interesting at Whoa! Look at the water. How's it going so far, guys? Got you? Yeah.
I wanna hold. I wanna hold.
I'm holding it.
Ow.
These are the two new ones.
And the cooler one.
They're the ones having so much fun. Here we go. Here we go. Wala pa pero okay.
Ayaw magpalo.
That's what we do. Everybody has to paddle.
Child labor.
Except me.
Ooh,
That's what I do. Look. Oh, no, no, this is good. Okay.
What the hell?
Hey.
That way.
Oh, wonderful. I think we're almost done.
No reaction.
Paddle. Paddle together. Just me. Come on, jump from the bridge, Sabi. I don't know if you see it. Okay, this is it. We are done. That. Terima kasih, Pak. That was so much fun. Okay.
Are you
Now,
happy